Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I'm Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video describes the proper use of confidence intervals when conducting a hypothesis test on a mean value. Let's get started. So if you recall earlier, we were looking at proportion hypothesis testing. We saw that using confidence intervals doesn't always produce the same result that we get from the formal method of hypothesis testing. And so we were going to use the hypothesis testing for testing a claim about a proportion, then the confidence interval for actually estimating a population parameter. That's not the case when we're looking at the population mean. So the hypothesis test on the population mean is going to come out the same way as the confidence interval. They're going to give you the same answer. So whether you use the critical value and the test statistic, the p-value, and the level of significance alpha, or a confidence interval, any one of those three, they're all going to give you the same result for testing the claim. So here we've got the confidence level is going to be 1 minus alpha. So alpha is the significance level. Just take the complement of that. That gives us the confidence level for a confidence interval. So a 95% confidence interval means that we have an alpha equal to 5%. A 99% confidence interval will correspond with a significance level of 1%. So you don't necessarily need to be told what your confidence level is, and sometimes in your problems you're not told what it is. If you are told what it is, then by all means use what you're told to use. But generally speaking, you're not going to be told what to use. You have to figure it out. They will give you the alpha level so that you can conduct the hypothesis test, and then at the end you construct a confidence interval to see how that matches up with the hypothesis test. They don't tell you the confidence level, they just say use the appropriate confidence level. And so you got to figure it out. And this is how you figure it out. You just take the complement, just subtract it from 1, and that gives you your confidence level. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.